Hola, hola. I am going to be refreshing my hair because it is day like 12, I think, of my silk press. And as you can see, it's a little oily, but I picked up handy dandy something from Marshall's. Batiste. So this is some dry shampoo, and I went on TikTok, reviewed a whole bunch of videos. Dry shampoo works for black girls too, so let's try it out and see what it's working with. All right, so shake it up, hold 30 centimeters away from your head and spray at the roots. Massaging roots, brush through to refresh and hydrate. So that's what I'm about to do. Shake, shake, shake. Get at these roots. Feels really cool. Oh, shoot. I don't know how far away I'm supposed to. It says to brush through, so. Oh, child. It's supposed to be invisible formula. This ain't invisible. Okay. It's feeling a little nice, feeling a little cool sensation. Okay. Not too bad. I'm probably gonna spray it like one more time, and then I'm going to go and wrap it up. Be back. I'll put a little bit of oil, just a little bit. This is the Sienna Naturals Blue Tansy Restorative Scalp Oil. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on there just because my scalp is pretty dry. I'm just gonna take some, and then my scalp is very dry. I'm probably gonna wash my hair this next Monday. So today is Wednesday. So probably by next Monday, I'm gonna wash it because it's getting very like bleh. So yay. Because my scalp, I just feel how dry my scalp is. I'll put a little bit more in the front real quick. Oh, yes, baby, yes, because I know my scalp is dry. I don't know if that defeats the purpose of the dry shampoo, but girl, I had to. Now I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to wrap it too. All right, so I'm going to wrap my hair not in the traditional way that most people have been wrapping their hair, or how I actually used to wrap my hair when I was younger, up until like, I can't remember how old, but basically not the traditional way where you wrap it around your head like that. I'm not going to do it like that because I'm not going to get any curl. It's going to be laying flat and stuck to my head, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm using these flexi rods to wrap my hair, and I'm going to show you how in just a moment. Okay, first we're going to part our hair from ear to ear. So I'm gonna take that, and then we're gonna section. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so we take the first section of our hair, and I'm just gonna brush it all the way to the front. I'm gonna push this in the back. Okay. All right, so how we're gonna do this is, like I said, section all the way to the front, brush it out, gather it all up. Then we're gonna take our flexi rod, we're gonna put it to the edge of our hair, and I'm gonna try to loop it around once and try to tuck my hair under, and then I'm just gonna twist it inward like so. And it doesn't have to be perfect. And then just flip it boom, like so. I learned this on TikTok. Ciao. It's okay. It don't have to be perfect. So then we do the same thing with the back. The back is a little challenging, but what I'm gonna go ahead and do is brush it up. All right, this is the hard part. Brush it up, take your flexi rod, like in the frame. Twist your hair under. Wait, hold on. This is in the way. Can you see? Flipping it. And then curling it under. You can curl it under, or you can curl it backwards, whichever is your choice. Boom, bada boom, bada bang. And trust me, it looks a little weird now, but it all comes together in the end. And I could probably redo the front and tie it a little bit tighter, which I think I might do, but that's it. I'm gonna wrap it with my silk scarf, and then I'll come back in the morning and show y'all what it looks like. I'm gonna hop in the shower, and I normally try to shower with,
all right, so I'm gonna do a voiceover on this part. It was super early in the morning, somewhere around like 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning while I was getting ready to go to work, and I'm just unraveling the back of my hair. As you can see, I got a nice curl going on, and then unraveling the front as well. So I used only 2 flexi rods. If you have thicker hair, you might want to use more. It really just all depends on how long your hair is, how thick your hair is. But for me, this worked the best. I previously did 4 flexi rods, which gave me more of a curl, gave me more curl definition, which either way you go, you could use 2 flexi rods, you could use 4 flexi rods, you can use multiple flexi rods. It just depends on your desired look and what you are going for. So right now I'm just combing it out a bit, getting my part where I want it to look, and that's essentially how I refresh my hair. I learned all these steps on TikTok. This is not something that I knew how to do. I'm forever a student of, learning how to do my hair constantly. So I really am very grateful for TikTok and just being able to learn different techniques and different things to help with the growth of my hair, the maintenance of my hair and everything like that. So y'all, that's what it's looking like. Yes, look at that body. I used that dry shampoo, which really, 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 really worked really great on my hair. It's, like I said, I think day 12, 13, something like that. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe.